I'm going to be reviewing and unboxing this AEC smartwatch for women. This is in the rose gold color. I'd like to say thank you to the company for sending this out for review, so let's check it out. Honestly, I'd like to say that it looks a lot more premium than I was expecting. It is nice, sleek, and feminine. Check it out. Definitely looks like something that is higher end. So right out of the box, I know that this is a 1.32-inch AMOLED display. The AMOLED screens are brighter. So let me go ahead and remove this right here. All right, so let me go ahead and power this on. As it powers on, I want to go ahead and let you know that you could receive notifications on this, like for your workouts, for stats, and you will have to download the Very Fit app. This watch is compatible with both iPhone and Android. You don't have to worry about compatibility. So inside of the box, you do get a charging cable. So let's talk about the strap. The strap does feel soft and comfortable. It is rose gold. You can answer and make phone calls directly from your wrist. So if you're driving, working out, cleaning, or just can't reach your phone at the time, you can make calls straight from your watch. It's surprisingly convenient. There is advanced health tracking. It monitors your heart rate, blood oxygen, and sleep quality 24/7. Over 110 sports modes like walking, running, gym workouts, cycling, yoga, even niche sports. Whatever you do to stay active, this watch can track it. So the battery life is a major win. You get up to 10 days of regular use or 15 days on standby. And if you forget to charge it, a 10-minute quick charge gives you a full day of use. That alone makes the watch worth it. It is waterproof, so washing your hands, sweating at the gym, or getting caught in the rain won't be an issue. So this smartwatch looks beautiful on the wrist. This smartwatch is for anyone that wants to look stylish, track your health and fitness. You want to go ahead and get notifications on your watch. You want to go ahead and answer calls. It lasts days without charging. And the best thing is that it does not cost hundreds of dollars. So if you want that high-end feel without the high-end price, then this definitely checks all the boxes. This makes for such a great gift for yourself or for a loved one. If you want to check it out for yourself, I'll go ahead and leave the link down below, and also make sure to like and follow for more video reviews.